This video focuses on 5 different components or parts of culture. Most of the information presented you need for class, so please feel free to rewind, rewatch, pause, whatever you need to do to get the information. The names of the 5 different parts of culture that we're going to be looking at are symbols, language, technology, values, and norms. The first component of culture that we're going to look at is technology. In sociology, we define technology as a combination of physical objects and the rules for using those objects. So it's not just the computer with internet access that we use, but it's also the rules we create about how we can and cannot access the internet, such as rules against unauthorized hacking of websites and databases. Sometimes technology is referred to as tools, and we define tools as a resource used to increase efficiency. The second component of culture are symbols. A symbol is anything that represents something else, and society has to agree on the representational or symbolic meaning. A symbol can present itself in the form of a physical object, a gesture, a word, an image, even a sound, as long as another member of the same society can recognize its representational meaning, then sociologists view it as a symbol. A third component of culture is language. Now, this one might seem incredibly obvious and very familiar to you, but in sociology we define language as an organization of written or spoken symbols into a standardized system. It's used primarily for communication, and it's governed by rules, which in American English we refer to as grammar. The fourth component of culture is referred to as values. Values are shared beliefs about what is good or bad, right or wrong, desirable or undesirable, and also to a certain extent what we see as moral and immoral. The values of a group generally determine the character of a people in a society, and values also influence and direct the creation of other aspects of culture. The fifth component of culture is referred to as norms. In sociology, we define norms as shared rules of conduct that tell people how to act in specific situations. Now, norms are expectations for behavior, but they're not the actual behavior themselves. And norms can range from trying to control unimportant activities to extremely important activities. But all norms are generally focused on maintaining social order.